Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create your own HTML compiler.
As you can see, I have already written the HTML code, and I have linked external JavaScript and CSS file as you see here. Here is full CSS code. Here is full JavaScript code. Now, I am going to run the index.html file. Here is output interface of our HTML compiler. Here, I created a div container and set the ID, my ID. Now, I am going to write CSS code for this. Set the padding, 100 pixels. Background color, blue. And text color, white. You can see the output panel is changing according to my code. Now, through the JavaScript, I am going to add some text. First, accessing the div element by their ID, and then setting the HTML text as subscribe my channel for such upcoming videos. You can see the output is getting updated.
I hope you have enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Code Crafted. Thank you for watching.